Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening the OneNote desktop app and signing into your Microsoft account. This gives you Cloud Sync. Once signed in, make sure OneDrive Sync is enabled and shows a recent sync time because offline edits merge later. Create a new notebook titled Clearly, then add a section and an initial page. Now you're ready to capture content. Type a title, press Enter, and begin taking notes while OneNote saves in the background automatically. Once you have a page, you'll organize material into sections and section groups that reflect projects or subjects. This keeps notebooks manageable. Use consistent page titles and subpages, then apply tags for tasks, questions, or important items so you can find them fast. Insert images, PDF, audio recordings, or files directly into pages, and use the Draw tab with your pen or mouse to annotate. These steps let you mix typed and visual content, making notes richer and easier to review. To finish, review notes with search and recent edits. Use notebook history to restore prior versions if needed. Share a notebook or export pages. When sharing, set edit or view permissions so collaborators can't accidentally change your structure. If something goes wrong, check OneDrive status first, sign out and back in, then force a manual sync. If sync still fails, restart OneNote and your PC. Often that clears transient issues and lets
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.